Hello everyone and welcome back to Programming with Irene. In the previous episode, we checked out the Scratch editor and its many options. And we made a cat stand next to a ball in the street. In this episode, we are going to make the cat kick the ball, just as I promised. Without further ado, let's open up our previous scene. There we go. Now that we have our cat, the ball and the fun backdrop, let's see how we can make the cat come to the ball and make the ball go flying. To get started, we need to make sure that the cat stays at the edge of the screen. When we start the program, to do this, we can simply drag the cat to the edge of the screen. And in our block section, look for the when green flag is clicked block under the event section. There you go. We found it! Now, simply drag and drop it into our code editor. Now, let's look for the block that can help us to move the cat to the edge of the screen. For this, click on the motion section and choose the Go to X and Y block. Simply drag and drop it. Now, just like we connect puzzles, trying connecting the green flag block and our movement block, ta-da! The blocks are combined. Now, it is time to test our steps. Try dragging the cat around to some other place. And now, clicking on the green flag icon up to top. See, the cat is now standing at the edge of the screen, exactly where we want it to be. Now, all we need to do is to make the cat move towards the ball. To do that, we can make use of the glide block. We can see it under the motion section. Before dragging and dropping the glide block, we can simply position our cat near the ball. And now we can drop the glide element. As we can see, it automatically fills in our desired location. And we can see that it also specifies the time it takes for the gliding to complete. By default, it is 1 second, but we can increase it if we want. Feel free to play around. Make sure to connect the glide block with the other two blocks we already added. Now, click on the green flag button and see. The cat is gliding towards the ball. Now, it's time to make the ball jump into the air. For all that, first click on the ball sprite from the sprite section to make it the active sprite, just like we did for the cat. We can drag and drop the when green flag clicked event, and to make sure the ball stays at the center of the screen, add a movement block. Now, we need to do something interesting. We need to move the ball when the cat hits the ball. To do that, we need to check if the cat is touching the ball. But how can we do that? If we take a look at the sensing section, we can see a block called touching. We can drag and drop this block, and it gives us drop-down selector. From this drop-down, select the cat option. To specify our condition, there you go. We have added a condition that says to check if the ball is touching the cat. But just by adding the condition itself, nothing is happening. To make the condition work, we need to add a conditional block, like an if block. We can drag and drop it from the control section and drag our condition into the if block. Now, inside the if block, add another glide block to make the ball jump into the air by dragging it into the desired position. Now, make sure to connect it with the rest of the blocks. Time to click on the green flag to see if the cat is kicking the ball. Oops! The ball starts flying around even before the cat reaches the ball. We forgot to check something? Pause the video and try figuring it out on your own. Now, Let's see if you got it right. It takes 1 second for the cat to reach the ball. That means we need to wait for 1 second before checking for our conditions. To do that, add a wait block from the control section on top of our if block. We may have to take apart the puzzle and rejoin it. There we go. Now everything is put back together. We just need to connect it back with the green flag. Fingers crossed. Time to test our program. Click on the green flag and ta-da! Now the cat glides over to the ball, and when it touches the ball goes flying into the air. Well done! We have successfully made our first animation. Way to go! As usual, make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next episode with more cool stuff. Until then, bye and take care.